First solution, System Maintenance. Type System Maintenance in the search box to open it. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the remaining steps. Next solution, Change Power Plan. Type powercfg.cpl in the search box to open the power options. If the High Performance Power Plan option is available, switch your power plan to High Performance. If the High Performance option is not available on your PC, you can click Change Plan Settings next to the current power plan, then click Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Processor Power Management, and set both the minimum processor state and maximum processor state to 100%. Next solution, Disable Transparency Effects. Search for Visual Effects and open it. Turn off the toggle button next to the Transparency Effects and the Animation Effects. Next solution, Disable Startup Programs. Right-click on the Start button to open Task Manager. Tap the Startup tab, right-click the application or service you want to disable, and select Disable. For apps from the Microsoft Store, right-click the Start button and select App and Features. Right-click on the three dots and select Advanced Options. In the Background Apps Permissions section, click the drop-down menu under Let this app run in the background and select Never. Repeat the above steps for other applications that you do not want to consume system resources in the background. Next solution, Clear Temporary Files. Type Delete Temporary Files in the search box to open it. Check the box in front of the file type, select the file type you want to delete, and then click the Remove Files button to delete the file you selected. Type in %temp% in the search box. Select all the files in the temp folder and delete all of them. Next solution, Defrag the hard disk. Type Defrag in the search box to open it. Select the drive you want to defrag, then click the Optimize button. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.